The alien mummies of Peru, the ongoing mystery and global debate. In recent years, the world has been captivated by a bizarre and contentious discovery: mysterious mummified bodies found in Peru, which some claim to be alien in origin. This story has captured the attention of the public and scientists alike, especially with new evidence that raises even more questions than answers. The idea that these bodies might not be human has sparked debates, speculation, and scientific investigation. But what is the truth behind these so-called alien mummies? Are they proof of extraterrestrial life, or is there a more earthly explanation? The mysterious mummies, an unsettling discovery. The story begins with Jamie Mawson, a Mexican journalist and alien researcher, who has been a prominent figure in the study of UFOs and extraterrestrial life. Mawson recently brought to light two mummies, which he claimed were over 1,000 years old and showed signs of not being human. These bodies were discovered in the desert of Peru and were initially introduced to the public in 2017. What made them so controversial wasn't just their appearance, but their supposed non-human characteristics. Mawson has spent years investigating these mummies, gathering support from various scientists in the United States and Europe. His claim: that the mummies might be the remains of a hybrid species, part human, part extraterrestrial. According to him, the bodies contain DNA that is only 70% human, with the remaining 30% being unidentifiable. This mysterious DNA has become the focal point of much of the controversy surrounding the mummies. However, despite his passionate claims, Mawson's theory has faced skepticism from many within the scientific community. While some scientists support the idea of further investigation, others argue that the mummies are simply a hoax or the result of ancient human rituals. The debate has only intensified as Mawson continues to pursue legal action against the Peruvian government, attempting to move the mummies to more advanced laboratories in the United States for further study. The fingerprints, a key piece of the puzzle. One of the most puzzling aspects of the alien mummies is the strange fingerprint patterns found on their hands and feet. According to reports, the prints found on the mummies, particularly one named Maria, do not match any human fingerprints. These prints feature unusual, cross-hatched grooves that are unlike anything seen on human skin. Joshua McDowell, a forensic expert who has been involved in analyzing these mummies, explained that the prints on Maria's fingers were not traditional human fingerprints. He pointed out the lack of the usual loops or whorls, which are typical characteristics of human fingerprints. This anomaly was confirmed by 3 independent forensic specialists from the United States who conducted their own investigations. The findings suggest that the mummy's fingerprints are unlike any human prints known to science. McDowell has emphasized that while the fingerprints are strange, they may not necessarily indicate extraterrestrial origins. He noted that the odd patterns could be the result of the mummy's preservation process, particularly because the body was found encased in diatomaceous earth, a fossilized material that can alter the appearance of skin. Despite this, McDowell acknowledged the need for further study before jumping to conclusions. The debate intensifies: are they real or fake? As the controversy surrounding the mummies grows, so does the investigation into their true nature. Some scientists, including Flavio Estrada, a Peruvian archaeologist, have argued that the mummies are not alien at all but are instead elaborate fakes. According to Estrada, the bodies with 3-fingered hands are actually human-made dolls created using animal bones. These dolls, he claims, were constructed with modern synthetic glue and passed off as ancient alien remains. Estrada's findings have led to a fierce debate between him and researchers like McDowell, who strongly reject this theory. McDowell argues that if these mummies are indeed a hoax, there should be more concrete evidence to disprove their authenticity. He points out that the intricate details of the mummies, including the unusual finger patterns and other anatomical anomalies, suggest that further investigation is warranted before dismissing them entirely. To support his claims, McDowell brought a team of experts to Peru, including forensic anthropologists and a police investigator, to conduct further tests. These experts have used advanced scanning techniques, such as X-ray fluorescence, to analyze the mummies without damaging them. While these tests have provided valuable insights, they have also raised new questions. For example, the X-ray scans have revealed unusual chemical compositions in the bones, further complicating the mystery. The carbon dating controversy, a new challenge. Carbon dating, a method used to determine the age of ancient artifacts and remains, has also been a point of contention in this case. Many scientists argue that carbon dating should be used to verify the age of the mummies, but there are significant challenges with this method. One of the primary concerns is the potential for contamination, which can throw off the results. Even a tiny amount of modern carbon can make an ancient specimen appear much younger than it actually is. Dr. Bent Philipson, a physicist at the University of Science and Technology in Norway, pointed out that carbon dating only works on objects that originated on Earth. If these mummies are indeed extraterrestrial, their carbon content could differ from what we find on Earth, making traditional carbon dating methods unreliable. This raises an even more troubling question: how can we determine the age of something that may not even come from Earth? This issue was highlighted during a previous investigation when the Mexican Navy's Institute of Scientific Health Research declared that the mummies presented before the Mexican Congress were merely a single skeleton, not assembled with other body parts. This revelation only fueled the mystery and left many wondering whether these mummies are part of an elaborate hoax or the discovery of a lifetime. Global implications. What's next for the alien mummies? The ongoing research into these Peruvian mummies has far-reaching implications. If the bodies turn out to be genuine, they could change our understanding of human history and our place in the universe. But the potential for deception raises serious concerns, especially given the high stakes involved. If these mummies are proven to be fakes, it could damage the credibility of those who have championed their cause, including Jamie Mawson. In the meantime, the search for answers continues. Researchers like McDowell are pushing forward with their studies, conducting tests, and seeking out new evidence. Yet, despite all the tests and investigations, the mystery remains unsolved. Are these mummies ancient relics of a lost civilization, or are they something far more extraordinary? Only time will tell. The ongoing mystery, a call for public opinion. As the debate over the Peruvian alien mummies rages on, it's clear that the mystery is far from being resolved. Whether they are genuine extraterrestrial remains or just a clever hoax, the story has captured the public's imagination and sparked a global conversation about the existence of alien life. What do you think? Are these mummies proof of extraterrestrial life, or are we looking at a complex hoax designed to deceive the public? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your opinion could help uncover the truth behind this gripping mystery. The truth is out there, let's find it together.